speech?
Well, I appreciated the intervention by the army in the areas where gangsterism has taken over the streets of our townships. And that is a confirmation that the South African police services have dismally failed. The president is just scared to say they've lost confidence in the South African police services, hence the army. And we are happy that the army is coming. We are going to restore law and order. The rest of the things that he's talking about, he has been saying those things. Today, the difference is that he's saying them with energy. Why does he talk about trillions in water? He spoke about billions in water. Billions have been thrown into the Guyana project. There is still no water. So to utter trillions, billions from a speech doesn't translate into our people having water. And this thing of task team after task team, is a person who's failing to execute their own responsibility and they shift it to other people. So it's a confirmation that he doesn't have the necessary capacity in the GNU to deal with issues that he wants to deal with. So we are here again listening to a man who is using a government platform during an election year to launch a campaign for his political party. That's what we've been subjected to here. Most of the things you have been listening to, we heard about them. We were supposed to be told today, how far is the University of Ekurhuleni? He said he's going to establish the University of Ekurhuleni and things like that. How many jobs have we created and where are those jobs? So that people can independently go and verify those things that he's talking about. This infrastructural development project is talking about, where are they? The unemployment in South Africa is very high. Amongst young people, it's sitting at 40%, and he can't be proud that he's going to give them some money because he gave them money during COVID.